This ONOX autonomous electric tractor represents a new generation of smart farming. Machines designed for efficiency, sustainability, and precision agriculture. At first glance, the tractor immediately stands out because of its compact, box-style front design and clean, modern appearance. The matte light gray body combined with a heavy-duty black chassis gives it a professional, industrial look that feels futuristic yet practical for real farm work. Unlike traditional tractors, this machine focuses on technology-driven performance rather than raw mechanical bulk. The front section of the tractor houses the electric power unit, replacing a conventional diesel engine. This electric setup means zero direct emissions, lower noise levels, and reduced operating costs over time. For farmers looking to reduce fuel expenses and maintenance, this is a major advantage. The front hydraulic hitch system is robust and well-engineered, allowing the tractor to handle various implements such as plows, seeders, and precision tools with ease. All components are neatly integrated, giving the tractor a clean and organized structure. Moving to the side view, the tractor's balanced proportions become clear. Large rear agricultural tires with deep tread patterns provide excellent traction on soft soil, while slightly smaller front tires help with maneuverability. The white rims contrast nicely with the dark tires, enhancing visibility and style. The wheel setup ensures stability, even when operating on uneven terrain or during long working hours in the field. One of the most impressive features is the fully enclosed glass cabin. The panoramic transparent design provides excellent visibility in all directions, which is crucial for safety and accuracy. The cabin is equipped with external cameras, sensors, and side mirrors, supporting autonomous and semi-autonomous operation. These systems allow the tractor to navigate fields, avoid obstacles, and maintain precise paths during farming operations. This makes it especially useful for modern precision agriculture, where accuracy can significantly improve crop yields. Inside the cabin, the dashboard follows a minimalist and futuristic approach. A digital touchscreen display acts as the control center, providing real-time data such as speed, battery status, route planning, and implement control. The steering wheel is ergonomically designed, and the overall interior layout feels intuitive and operator-friendly. Even farmers who are new to autonomous technology will find the system easy to understand after a short learning curve. From the rear, the tractor continues to show its practical design. The rear hitch and linkage system is strong and versatile, supporting a wide range of farming attachments. Systems improve safety during night operations or low visibility conditions. The transparent rear glass panel allows the operator or monitoring system to keep an eye on attached equipment, ensuring smooth and accurate performance